Hi, today we will create an outline effect in Fusion and save it as a macro template for use in the edit page. With this added to the effect library, we can add outlines to any clips in the timeline with a simple drag and drop. Here in the timeline, we have an apple image above the colored background, and we want to add an outline around the apple. Convert the image to a Fusion clip and open it in the Fusion page. In the Fusion page, add a background and a matte control from the toolbar to the node editor. Drag the matte control into the left viewer and change the background color to green. Connect the output of the Apple Media in node to the gray garbage matte input of the matte control node. And now we see a hole punched in the background. With the matte control selected, press Shift Space to open the tool selection window. Find the delta keyer and add it to the process. Bring the delta keyer into the left viewer. In the inspector of the delta keyer node, drag the eyedropper over the green background in the left viewer. Release it when the background disappears. Go to the Matte tab in the inspector, increase the Erode Dilate value, and now we can see an outline showing in gray. Set the Replace mode to hard color, and change the color to yellow. We now have a bright yellow outline in the apple shape. Next we need to remove the black hole, and keep only the outline. Drag the output of the media in node to the delta keyer's garbage matte input, which makes the black hole transparent. Now that we have both the original apple image and the outline ready, we can simply drag the delta keyer's output to the output of the media in node to merge the outline to the media out. The final outlined apple is now showing on the right viewer. Go back to the edit page. We can resize or rotate the clip, and the outline will always stay with the apple. This is already a quick and easy way to add an outline, but we can make it even easier by saving the settings we just did as a macro template into the effects library. Go back to the Fusion page and select the media in node. To make the settings work for an effect template, we need a matte control to take the media input. With the media in node selected, click the matte control in the toolbar, which will automatically add a matte control node after the media in node. Drag and select all the nodes except the media in and out nodes. Right-click on one of the selected nodes, and choose Create Macro from the menu. In the Macro Editor window, change the macro name. For the demo, I put Essential Outline. In the delta keyer section, select parameter Erode Dilate, and rename it to Outline Thickness. Select the Blur and Replace Color parameters, and change the name to Outline Color. In the File menu, select Save as Group. And save the settings to the Effects Template folder. By default, Resolve set the Save as folder to Fusion, Macros folder. Click Fusion to go one level up, and find the Templates folder. Then go to Edit and Effects. Save the settings, and close the Macro Editor window. Go back to the Edit page. I have a timeline with a few sample clips. The first one is a simple person cutout PNG image. In the Effects library, open the Effects. Find the essential outline we just saved. Drag it to the clip in the timeline. And the outline is added right away. In the inspector, go to the Effects tab. We can adjust the outline thickness, change the color, or add blur as we like. We can also use this effect to add borders to photos. In the previous video, we created some custom shape masks for zoom through transitions. Apply the outline effect to this zoom through clip, and the outline also resizes as the mask zooms in. We can animate any of these parameters right inside the edit page. For example, the thickness. Multiple outline effects can be added to the same clip, and it will produce multiple outlines surrounding the clip. The last sample is a green-screened clip. After applying the effect, the outline gets animated as the girl moves. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.